Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to do an experiment. I will put back this shoe sole, but I'm going to use a different glue or rubber cement. I'll just try to clean this up with this sandpaper. Okay, so I'm going to use a roofing sealant because this one dries up like a solid rubber when it's completely healed. So let me try that. Okay, this is already clean. I'm going to put also some around here. Okay, so let's put it on. I'm gonna try to clip it. So it would stay firm while drying. Okay, so we'll just wait for it to completely cure. Okay, so since it's always raining here, I decided to wait for 1 full week to see or to make it cure much better. So this is how it looks now with that roofing sealant. It has bonded very well. So we'll just test it maybe for a week or a month when it's soaked in the rain or flood waters. So that's it. I hope you like the idea, and if you want to see more of our videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you will get notified on our next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.